The Philippine Navy recently visited the Italian Navy after years of cold relations between two navies, allegedly due to the cancellation of the planned purchase of two refurbished Mistral-class frigates back in 2014. After visiting the Italian Navy, the Philippine Navy also visited the Italian defense company, Leonardo. Leonardo is a defense company specialized in helicopters both for civilian and military use. The Philippine Navy is currently operating 5 units of AW-109E Power and 2 units of AW-159 Wildcat anti-submarine helicopters. The visit of the Philippine Navy, Flag Officer in Command Vice Admiral Adeluis Bordado, to the Italian Navy is considered important by a defense analyst, as this will somehow bring back the good cooperation between two navies after allegedly cancelling the plan of acquiring two refurbished Mistral-class frigates back in 2014. MaxDefense Philippines sources previously reported that Leonardo offered its Augusto Westland's AW-139M utility helicopter and additional AW-159 Wildcat naval combat helicopters. It remains to be seen if the Philippine Navy is still considering to acquire refurbished Mistral-class frigates to beef up its fleet of surface vessels. End.